Audio Jungle.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Matt's Saloon Drinks. I'm your host, Matt. Cocktail Friday. Hallelujah. Yes. Yes, we made it. It's Friday. Friday. Yes. Cocktail Friday, everybody. Got a little classic one, but hey, it's a really good one. So, earlier this week, did a review on Knobs Creek. Really good stuff. Really smooth. Really amazing good stuff. So, we're going to make a Knobs Creek Old Fashioned with a little bit of twist of my own. So we're going to shake this bad boy up because I like shaking up my cocktails. So we're going to get a jigger. We're going to get 2 shots of Knobs Creek. Let's put it right over the shaker. Ooh, there we go. Yep, there we go. There we go. That's about 2.5 actually. It's been a little bit more than I wanted to, but oh well, it's okay. Knobs Creek, baby. Yeah, let's clean it up here in a minute. Okay, get some simple syrup, some ice. Get some, yeah, let's do there we go, 1. There we go. Simple syrup. That over here, yeah, okay. And we got some bitters. Dash that in there. There we go, about a teaspoonful. And we're gonna do a little bit of something fun here. This is my pomegranate blueberry syrup mixed in with vodka. Just cause. Smells amazing. Yeah, I made this syrup about a couple weeks ago. There we go. That's about 1.5 shots of pomegranate blueberry syrup. That stuff's awesome. If you haven't made a syrup, you should try it because it's really fun. It's really simple, easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. That's all I'm gonna say. We're gonna shake this bad boy up. There we go. There we go. Get some ice for a glass. We're gonna just. Here we go. There we go. Look how beautiful and nice maroon red that is. That is nice. Right there. And we got some cherries now. I'm moving up in the world. Oh yeah, we got some nice little cocktail cherries. Nope, it's just it's down in there. Oh well. Let's get another one. Got my other chair here. Okay, now we're gonna have 2 cherries in my cocktail, but that's okay. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful cocktail. Oh, that's super sweet. It's smooth. It's not too much, it's not enough, it's just perfect. That is amazing. Like I said, if you have never made a syrup, it's really simple, it's really easy. It's the reason it's called simple syrup. I just got some pomegranate juice and some blueberries, mashed them all up, strained it, cooked it, sugar, put some vodka in it, Let it cook. Don't boil it, just simmer it, and this is what it comes out to be. It's really easy to make. I've looked it up on Google, so same thing with this one. So here we go with Knobs Creek pomegranate cocktail. There we go. So put a link in the description below of if you like this cocktail, if you're gonna try it, and please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that beautiful bell icon. And cheers to y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. Happy Friday.